Assalamu alaikum. Hello, the learners, followers, and viewers. How are you? I'm still safe and sound, and I hope from my heart and soul you all are well by the pity of Almighty Creator. To carry on your studies at such a pandemic situation created by COVID-19, firstly, I would like to salute the authority who has provided with you such online classes and facilitate yourself to receive education. And from this view and vision, you all are again welcome to my online classes. Before starting my class, I prefer to introduce myself first. I am Mohammad Ranju Ahmed, Assistant Teacher English, Darusha High School, Poba, Rajshahi. Today, I will teach you on the subject of English second paper for class 6 and my today's topics, sentence. Dear learners, let's go to the board. Sentence. It is most important and interesting chapter for you, and I hope if you concentrate on the lecture, you will be benefited a lot. But do you know what is sentence? A sentence mainly a word or a group of words that express a clear meaning in a given context is called sentence. Again, a word or a group of words that express a clear meaning in a given context is called sentence. Mainly, sentences are of three types according to structure, such as simple, complex, and compound. But on the opposite side, there are 5 kinds of sentence according to meaning, such as assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory sentence. But these 5 types of sentence are under the simple sentence because these 5 sentences contain one subject, one finite verb, and extensional part. So now I will teach you about the 5 sentences with its structure and definition. At first, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement or an assertion is called assertive sentence. And its structure is subject, verb, object. The assertive sentence has 2 parts: affirmative, and negative. Example: she is nice. She is not ugly. It is affirmative sentence and it is negative sentence. Next, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that generally asks a question about someone or something is called interrogative sentence. The interrogative sentences are of 2 types. Yes, no question, and WH question. The yes no question has 2 structure and the WH question has 2 structure. Dear learners, note down please. Helping verb plus subject plus base form of verb plus object or extensional extensional part, interrogate marks. Number 2, verb plus subject plus object or extensional part plus interrogate marks. And WH question has two structure. Number 1, WH word plus subject, WH word plus helping verb. Helping verb according to tense, number and person plus subject plus base form of verb plus extensional part plus interrogate mark. Number 2, WH word plus verb plus subject plus extensional part plus interrogate marks. Example, do you know me? It is helping verb, subject, base form or verb, extensional part or object, interrogate marks. And why did you come here? WH word, helping verb, subject, base form of verb, extensional part, interrogate marks. Are you clear? Next, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. The sentence which refers to order, command, advice, request and proposal is called imperative sentence. The structure of imperative sentence: verb plus object or extensional part. Example, do it. Let me do it. Subject is omitted here. Okay? And the sentence would be started with verb. Clear? Next, optative sentence. Optative sentence. Optative sentence. The sentence which refers to wish, desire or prayer is called optative sentence. The structure of optative sentence: may or long plus subject plus verb plus object or ext, extensional part, full stop. Example, may you be happy. May or long, subject, verb, object or extensional part, full stop. Clear? And last of all, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Sentence. Exclamatory sentence. The sentence which refers to sudden feeling of joy and sorrow and emotion of a person is called exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence has 5 structure. Dear learners, note down please. Structure. Example. Number 1, What plus a or an plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb plus exclamation চিহ্ন. Example, what a nice girl you are, exclamation marks. Number 2, how plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus exclamation marks. Example, how sweet. Number 3, if plus subject plus where plus object plus exclamation marks. Example, if I were a child. Number 4, had plus subject plus past participle of the verb plus object plus exclamation mark. Example, I seen you. Number 5, hurrah or alas or ah or oh plus exclamation marks plus subject verb object. Example, hurrah, I have passed the examination. Dear learners, are you clear? Remember, sentence cannot say I am assertive or interrogative or imperative, but sentence can reflect its identity with its structure. So, take a passage from your textbook and try to identify the sentences, and it is your homework. At the termination of my class, dear learners, I would like to request you, kindly wear masks, be safe yourself and helps to save others. Thanks a lot. See you in the later class.